Hi guys, welcome to this video on my channel. I'm actually getting ready to go on a date tonight, so I thought why not just record the process. I actually just took a shower and as you can see my hair is still wet. So I have just gotten out of the shower. I'm gonna just do my hair, makeup and then wear my outfit now. I already decided on the outfit, so I'll show you in the end what I'm wearing, but right now I just wanted to get started with what I would usually do. So I do have a YouTube video playing in the background, but I have kind of muted it because I was going to record this vlog. So yeah, let's get into it. The first step that I do when I start getting ready is to do my skin prep, because after washing my face and like being in the shower for too long, like the skin becomes dehydrated. So I start with the first skincare step, which is using a booster. This is the VT Sika Riedel Shot. If you are anything of a skincare addict, you must have heard of this product. It's amazing. It's basically called microneedling in a bottle, which means it really helps your skin get smooth and just also like absorb the rest of the skincare products well. So I'm just gonna take 2 pumps of it and I'm just gonna apply it. So I've actually been using this for a while now, which means like this is not a new product, but if you are new to this, just remember that it's gonna sting a little bit like in the beginning, but it's completely normal. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do as the first step. Now the next step is to apply some kind of a serum. What I'm currently using is again, if you are into skincare, this is like kind of a viral product, so viral, like look at this. This is the Anua niacinamide tranexamic acid serum, and it's also called the viral dark spot serum from Anua. So it's again a K-beauty product and I absolutely love it. Like I think I can just get 2 uses out of this, but yeah, it's been an amazing product for my skin. I actually had a dark spot on my cheek right here, and if the camera is catching it, yeah, you can like see a little bit of it is still there, and this product literally lightened it in 2 weeks. Not kidding. So if you're looking for a good dark spot serum, this is the way to go. I'm just gonna use a little bit because I want to come back from my date and then like do a very I've applied the serum and the booster. For now, this is it in terms of skin prep. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to doing my hair, and for my hair I use Dyson, like not every day but on special occasions, like if I'm going out or something, I use the Dyson Airwrap. So this is the one I got this year and it's just amazing. Like it's the best hair tool ever. So before I use the Dyson, I apply this hair milk. I got this from Japan. This is the Orbis Essence hair milk and it's really good for like making your hair very conditioned and smooth. It removes all the frizz, and it's also good to apply like before any kind of heat treatments, so it can like protect your hair. So I'm gonna apply this and then I'm gonna go in with the Dyson. In this video I'm not going to go in detail of how I do my hair with Dyson. I'll probably just like do it and get back, but if you want like a detailed video, I can make a separate video for that, because that's going to be like, it's going to take me a lot of time to explain all the steps and like do it in detail. I'm kind of in a hurry today, so I'll just do my hair with the Dyson and then come back for like rest of the getting ready process, which This is the Dyson Airwrap, and this is the attachment I'm using. I just attach it here, and I use the medium heat and medium air settings, and then I just like do my hair. So I'm gonna do that and then come back in here. I'm back, guys, and as you can see, my hair is done. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm pretty happy with the results. It's just showing a lot of volume and everything. So yeah. Now I'm gonna jump into the makeup. I'm not doing like an extensive makeup routine. I'll just do the basics. So I start with the Hourglass Vanish Primer, and as you can see, I've not used any moisturizer. That's because I have oily skin and really don't need one under makeup. That's done. Next, I'm gonna use another primer from e.l.f. because I just love how well it helps the makeup stick. You must have seen this. This is the Power Grip Primer, and a lot of people love this one. So next I'm gonna do more of the face makeup. So I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations, and this is in the shade 240W. So I think I got this a while back, but I just absolutely love it. So I'm gonna use it with a sponge. So I just have dampened the sponge and I'm like applying it everywhere. Next, I'm gonna use the concealer from Rare Beauty, and this is also in the shade 240W. So I'm gonna just apply it under my eyes and like use it slightly for highlighting purposes, because this really helps make my skin look brighter. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm gonna move on to the eye makeup, and let me show you the products I'm gonna use. So first is obviously the eyelash curler, so I'm just gonna take it and curl my eyelashes. Next, I'm gonna use some brow products. So usually I usually use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I'll use this spoolie to like carve out my brow shape. I don't use any kind of brow gel and stuff because like strong brows don't look that great on me. So I just use this, and then I use this pen. It's called it's the Stila Balayage Brow. So it has this brush kind of thing, and this is in the shade dark brown, I think. So I just use this to like do a nice touch up and add some like color to my brow at the places where there are gaps. And then I used this eyeliner. I got this from Japan. It's the Viral Heroine Make eyeliner, and it's in the shade black. So I've applied the eyeliner now, and next step for me is to do the blush. I use this one usually. It's the Patrick Da For Face palette, and it has these two blushes. I usually use the cream one. This brush, also from e.l.f., for my blush. And I'll just try to put it like a little high on the cheekbone so that it creates a nice look. Yeah. And by this time, the eyeliner has like dried out. So I'm going to now use my Anastasia Soft Glam palette to do the rest of my eye makeup. I love to create like a beautiful smoky kind of look on my eyes, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the black, I don't know if you can see the black here in this brush. The brush comes with the palette, and then I'm gonna put it like right on top of my eyeliner and kind of give it like a quick smoky kind of look. Also gonna do a little bit on the lower lid, just on the outer edge. Similarly on this eye, doing the same thing, just creating like a smoky look here, and then a little bit on the outer edge. Take the brown here and like I create a V kind of structure, so like this, like a V on the outer edge. And I'm gonna use this pink kind of shade, mulberry is what they call it, and then I'm gonna put it all on my upper lid here. So as you can see, it's like kind of blending into the, I don't know if you can see actually, but it's like blending into the brown and the black. I'm not a makeup artist, honestly. This is just something that I learned with experience, what works for me. Okay, and then I'm gonna do something else. Take this brown, the one I applied, it's called Cypress, it's called Cypress Umber, and then I'm gonna put it on the crease. So I'm gonna take a tissue paper here and clean this brush, the side, the fluffy side of it. And then I'm just gonna use this to even everything out. Alright, I realized the last part wasn't recording, but I just like wrapped up my eyeshadow. And the next step is to do the mascara. So I use the Tarte tubing mascara. It's literally my favorite. I'm gonna apply it off camera and then come back because my storage is like very low right now. The mascara is now applied, and now all that's left to do is just like my lip makeup, some basic highlighting, wear my outfit, and then I'll be ready to go. So I just want to show you the products I'm gonna use. So the lipstick I'm gonna apply is the Pat McGrath Labs in the Flesh. So this is the lipstick I'm applying, and then I'm gonna apply first I'm gonna apply the Tartelette like man-eater. Okay, so I've applied this, and then I'm gonna apply the Pat McGrath. This is the shade Entranced. That's it. And some final touches with the highlight. Just contouring a little bit.